When meat is burnt, it undergoes a chemical process known as charring. This process changes the composition of the meat and alters its taste and texture. Charring causes the formation of HAAs, which has been linked to cancer in animal studies. Further, cooking meats over open flames where fat can drip and produce smoke, think grilling, can lead to the formation of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. PAHs have also been linked to cancer formation. Cigarette smoke and air pollution also contain PAHs, which partly explains why smoking and air pollution are linked to different cancers. Carcinogens can change your DNA, but your DNA has repair mechanisms working all the time. The fewer repairs these mechanisms have to make, the less chance you'll get cancer. It's easier for your body to repair damage if your intake and exposure are slower. So don't have 4 alcoholic drinks with 4 charred burgers at once. In addition, burning meat can destroy some of the nutritional value it contains, making it less beneficial for the body. Therefore, it is important to avoid burning meat when cooking to minimize the risks associated with charring. There are several steps you can take to reduce the risk of harmful compounds when grilling meat. Use lean cuts of meat. Fatty cuts of meat drip more fat onto the grill, which can produce more smoke and increase the formation of harmful compounds. Marinate the meat. Marinating meat for at least 30 minutes before grilling can help to reduce the formation of harmful compounds. Acidic marinades, such as those containing lemon juice or vinegar, can be particularly effective. Avoid high heat. Cooking meat over high heat can increase the formation of harmful compounds. Instead, cook over medium heat to help minimize the risk. Don't overcook the meat. Overcooking meat can lead to the formation of more harmful compounds. Use a meat thermometer to ensure that the internal temperature of the meat reaches a safe level without overcooking. Trim the fat. Trimming excess fat from the meat before grilling can help to reduce the formation of harmful compounds. By following these steps, you can minimize the formation of harmful compounds when grilling meat and reduce potential health risks. When eating grilled meat, it's a good idea to pair it with healthy side dishes that can help balance out your meal. Here are some healthy options. Grilled vegetables. Grilling vegetables alongside your meat is a great way to add flavor and nutrients to your meal. Try grilling zucchini, peppers, onions, mushrooms, or eggplant. Salad. A fresh salad with leafy greens and other colorful vegetables can help balance out the heavier meat dish. Try adding some grilled chicken or shrimp to your salad for added protein. Quinoa or brown rice. These whole grains are a healthy and filling side dish that can complement grilled meat nicely. Try cooking them with some herbs and spices for added flavor. Fruit. Grilled fruit such as pineapple or peaches can make a sweet and healthy side dish that pairs well with grilled meat. Sweet potato. Grilling sweet potatoes is a healthy and tasty option. They are high in fiber and nutrients like vitamin A and potassium. If you have too much of something in a short time, it's not easy for your body to metabolize. The risk of cancer varies per person. The bottom line when it comes to grilling, don't grill every meal. And when you do cook on the grill, eat less charred food and meat. You reduce risk by not doing something all the time. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more videos.